So what is a full neck lift? So a full neck lift refers to the most aggressive approach to treating neck laxity, meaning there's nothing more aggressive or that works better than a full neck lift. It is the Mac Daddy of all neck lifts. So what a full neck lift is it involves an incision behind the ear and into the hairline, and through that access, the extra neck skin here is able to be tightened up and pulled upward and backward, treating the loose neck skin that develops right there. So that is a full neck lift. Some people call it an extended neck lift. It is the neck lift that involves an incision behind the ear that lets us move the skin backwards and upwards and then remove the excess skin, and in the end, tightening up the neck. The other maneuver that I perform when I do most neck lifts is a little incision underneath the chin, and through that access point, I can tighten up and sculpt the deep muscle tissue to further tighten up the neck. So that is what a full neck lift or extended neck lift entails. It is often and usually combined with a facelift, because a neck lift treats the extra loose skin of the neck. A facelift treats the jowls. So in other words, in order to treat the jowls, you need to have a facelift to lift the cheek back up, because that is how the jowls are corrected, by moving the cheek tissue back up where it is supposed to be. The loose neck tissue is corrected via a neck lift, which involves an incision right under the chin, short incision, and then behind the ear and into the hairline to move the skin up and back. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.